Fine. Look at this car.
Wow! Welcome, ladies. Look at this absolute masterpiece. A stylish and luxurious dream car that only costs ringgit. No cash, no problem. Sign right here, zero down payment, and you can drive your dream car off the lot today.
Wow, Farah. Zero down payment for this beautiful 154,800 ringgit car?
Yeah.
Imagine us driving around the city center.
Just give us the pen. Let me sign it.
Hold on. Before they sign the dotted line and fall into financial trap, they need to know about compound interest, down payment, and what if they miss a payment. So, let's break down the math.
Let me break down the reality of what this loan looks like before they sign it. Instead of a zero down limit, a smart buyer puts down a 10% deposit upfront, which is 10% multiplied with 154,800 equals to 50,480 ringgit. This leaves an actual loan principal of 139,320 ringgit. With an interest rate of 4.5% per annum compounded monthly over a 7-year period, our predict interest rate is 0.045 divided by 12 equals to 0.00375. Our total number of monthly payment is 7 multiplied by 12 equals to 84 months. Now, let's see how we find the monthly payment.
Section, we will calculate the fixed monthly payment. First, we identify the information that we already know. The loan amount or the present value is 139,320 ringgit. The annual interest rate is 4.5%. Since the repayments are made every month, we will divide the annual interest rate by 12. So, the monthly interest rate is 0.00375. The loan will be repaid over 7 years. Since there are 12 months in a year, the total number of monthly payment is 7 times 12, which equals to 84 payments. Now we substitute those values into the present value formula. 139,320 ringgit equals to R multiplied by the bracket expression 1 minus 1 plus interest 0.00375 to the power of negative 84 close the bracket divided by the interest, which is 0.00375. After calculating the expression inside the bracket, we'll get 72.0132. To find R, we divide 139,320 ringgit by 72.0132. This gives us R equals to 1,934 ringgit 65 cents. Therefore, the borrower needs to pay 1,934 ringgit and 65 cents every month for 84 months.
Let's look at how much this loan actually costs us in the long run by knowing the interest. To calculate the interest, we are using this formula, which is I equal to N times R minus A. So, N is the periodic payments, which is 84 months, while the monthly payment R is 1,934 ringgit and 65 cents. The last one is A, the present value, which is 139,320 ringgit. Now, insert the numbers into the formula and solve the equations, and we will get the answer. So, this means we are paying an extra 23,190 ringgit and 60 cents in pure interest back to the bank just to borrow the money for this car.
But what happens if life change? Let's teach you how to handle two real-world scenarios. First, if we settle the loan early after 2 years, equal to 24 payments, we have to find the remaining. To find the remaining, N minus 24. So the N is 54 minus 24 equal to 60. Using the outstanding balance equation, A equal to 1,934 ringgit 65 cents 1 minus 1.00375 to the power of negative 16 divided by 0.00375, and we will get 103,773 and 43. This is the amount that we have to pay for the remaining payment. Let's consider another real life situation. What if we miss 3 monthly payments due to a financial emergency? If we decide to settle all outstanding payments in 28 months, we need to calculate the future value of all unpaid installments. Although we only miss 3 payments, which is 25, 26, and 27. We are making the payment in 28 months as well. Therefore, there are a total of 4 payments involved in the calculation. Using the future value equation, we can find the amount of those 4 accumulated periods. We insert all of the info in the equation and we will get 7,782 ringgit 24 cents.
So I know we are paying 15,480 ringgit for the down payment today.
And our money budget is 1,954 ringgit and 65 cents installments.
Wow, okay, you guys really know your formula. So let's head inside to sign the paperwork.
So, let's look at the importance of down payment. By paying a 10% deposit upfront, the borrower avoided a zero down limit and reduced the initial loan principal to 139,320 ringgit. This lower principal resulted in lower monthly payments and less total interest than a zero down loan would have required.
Understanding annuities help us make a safe, real-life financial decisions. Thank you for watching. Bye!